Guys, let's talk about having a website. I know a lot of businesses don't really invest in having a website because it's not as cost effective, especially when you're starting out. That initial investment is pretty much steep because you're going to have a web developer, someone to create the content for you. But I'm here to tell you that I'm doing my website all on my own. Maybe you can see that it's not up to par, but at least it's got the information that I need on my website. And let me run you through the costs of what I incur to have that website running. I paid 99 rands for my domain, which is bdbsolutions.co.za. I pay 339 on a monthly basis to have that website running via GoDaddy. I use GoDaddy. So on that website, I get it SEO optimized, which I do it myself with my keywords. And I design my website on my own using Canva for designs, content, everything you can come up with. Even GoDaddy gives you a structure. When you're starting out and you say, I'm a professional business, and you're putting in the business, the category of the business which you are working on, and you say, all right, I'm a salon owner, it's going to give you the content. It's going to lead you with the content that is for salon owners, and then you can edit that content and you can add multiple pages. I have blogs, I have content by YouTube, I have software where people can go and sign up directly to my website. I mean, through my referral links. I have my payroll, I have my accounting, everything that they need in there. So I'm able to chop it up and edit it. And I don't need an external party to call and say, can you please do this? I'm able to implement my vision as I get it. If I'm walking and then I'm like, I need to post a blog post, I'm able to do it in real time. So just those costs, you really do need a website, because people do search for your business. Even if you run Google Ads, which I spoke about in the previous video, it's not possible to run Google Ads without a landing page. You need a digital office. Where are you taking the people to? If you say buy now, where do they buy? You can run it on, if you are selling actual products, then you can take them to your Takealot store, but that's a landing page for Takealot. If you are running professional services, then you need to take people to that platform. And I know a lot of businesses that I've encountered don't really have a website. I know people can do well without a website, but if you're a small business and you don't have the kind of network that other people have and exposed to, you absolutely need to have a website. And it's not a lot of investment. Like I said, I paid 99 rands initially for my domain, and now I'm paying 339 on a monthly basis. And I think that's affordable if you are intentional about investing in your business.